Hi, this is Mark Bowden from Benford UV. This next video, it's a retrofit to a KBA130 8-colour with coated press. We replaced an old UV system from another company and we put on our latest system. The reason we're showing you it is conventional UV, even though it has a name for drawing a lot of power. Our latest system, drawing under 70 amps, running 10,000 sheets an hour, printing a job, 4 lamps on, coating, unbelievable low power. Take a look. I hope you enjoy it.
We're on our latest install. It's on a KBA130. We've put on 5 lamps, 3 intellects, 2 end of press. We're currently running at 10,100 sheets per hour using 2 end of press and 2 intellects. I'm just about to show you the amperage use while we're running through, just to show you how low these are actually running.